Water damage, one of the biggest threats to your walls. Paint absorbs moisture, leaving stains. Wallpaper, it peels and bubbles over time, but Bodaq film, it stays flawless. This self-adhesive interior film features a waterproof layer that repels moisture, resists stains, and lasts over a decade with minimal maintenance. Look at this countertop. It was wrapped 5 years ago and still looks brand new. No peeling, no fading, no water damage. Unlike paint or wallpaper, Bodaq repels water effortlessly. No stains, no damage. Even in high moisture environments like office washrooms, Bodaq protects the surfaces. No swelling, no warping. Resistant to moisture, mold, and everyday wear, perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, and beyond. Bodaq is 100% waterproof, mold-resistant, and designed to last. Upgrade your space today. Visit bodaq.com to learn more.